Some roads were rough, some nights were long, but something deeper kept us strong. A vision calling through the noise, giving purpose to our choice. Walk with me into the light, through the shadows of the night. Step by step, we're meant to be more than what the world can see. Walk with me, don't let go. There's a brighter road ahead to know. Heart to heart and dream to dream. Together we become a team. Ash showed us a different view of what belief and growth can do. Not just waiting for the day, but building purpose on the way. Through resilience, faith, and grace, we found our own unique place. Every lesson helped us see the best of who